So hi, this is day second, and I in a journey where I want to improve my English from here to here. And yeah, I have improved a lot. I know how what are the tenses, how to use preposition, how to use conjunction, where to use, how to use the word. But I'm using the new words of today's. And I have learned the today new word that is exodus. Exodus, by the way. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, because I'm learning from the very hefty book. This is somewhere around, maybe like it is it is pronouncing that it has 15,000 word. So I'm improving a lot. This is day second, and I just have taken a leave from this tuitions because I didn't take tuition today. So I'm just learning today, and I'm literally get. I'm not. I could not, and I cannot make a proper focus. So I decided to make a video so that I will remember that. Oh my God, I'm doing. What a sort of hardworking. I'm a hardworking person, so I just remember it. And the more important thing that I just want to say here that it takes a lot of time to be into on this level. And I used to, at this moment of the time, I haven't watched, studying videos a lot. I just lost all my focus. I'm just restarting, so many things I have done, like others I don't know to say that as a person, as a boy, I have just given up a lot of things. I got lots of bad habits of mine, and you can understand what the habit that I have and that what I have picked up. I was on Joingy. There was a very explicit site, and I was like used to it. And I am not ashamed of it. Like, why should I be ashamed of it? Like, just to accept it what I was doing. I had a control on myself right now. I think it's been 2 days. I had the craving to do lots of things. I just teenage issues that I had. That was like so. I don't want to, but everybody does. Like I don't know what everybody does, but it is not good for me. Like the masturbating is it's a very problem I had. I think I got rid of it, and I'm just documenting all those stuff because so that one day I will be remembering that oh I was very down here and now I'm good. So just like that, and I just want to have a withdrawal of these bad habits, and because these habits really becoming a very exorbitant these days, like very high sky. These habits has reached an exorbitant place in my head. So right now I don't want to be a pen sticking person. I want to be a person who is run by discipline. So that's why I make this video, and this is the third, and I will do my hard work. I'll change my life, and from this rented house, I want to buy a house. So for that, I need to, my missus. So the thing that I have done in the past, maybe before 2 days, because it's been 2 days, I didn't masturbate. I didn't saw any explicit thing. I had a control. I had eaten Maggie. I had eaten little spicy things, little junk food. But these are the things that I have done, but I will not be doing this because I'm not going back and becoming that person who has lots of facade, lots of facade. And I don't want to wear lots of front faces. So I don't want to be that person. I want a very pure hearted person, and I want to dedicate it because I want to feel like that I have done something, I cannot be like this word that I cannot be fanciful, fanciful. I cannot be fanciful. I should be very real. So that's the video. Thank you for watching. And if you watched it, you will see my improvement. And yeah, this day is very wonderful. Like you can see, raining a lot. So yeah, it's a wonderful day. Bye.